Okay, go! Mickey again, huh? Is that a hole in her skirt? That's just too bad, isn't it? Try buying something new once in a while. I'm coming! Whoa! My skirt! That underwear! Can you believe this? Hey, may as well make the most of the attention. Those moves are epic! Don't stop, okay? This is gonna get so many likes! I like it! I call it the underwear shake. Yeah! That's great! Check this out! Everyone likes it! Why does this keep happening? Enough! Nothing's as powerful as the most popular girl in school. Just look at them. We haven't done our daily selfie yet. Don't forget the filter! Hey, I'm not even in frame! Take a couple more. Cheese! Are you happy now? No. Rich girl problems. I have other things to worry about. Like throwing away old trash. What's this even from? Selfies are in, huh? I think I can manage that. Just have to set the scene. Now to set up the phone. It'll stay in place this way, like a DIY tripod. Okay. Hey, Essie! Me? Yeah. Whatever. Wanna take a selfie with me? We'll both fit in frame this time. And? Wow! They look so adorable! And you can actually see me! Essie? Hello? Mind if I hang here for a while? What's the matter with her? Like my new expensive threads? It really is something special. Here's your drink. Thanks. Is that Mickey? What is she wearing? Looks like something my Nana would wear. Alright, people. Let's get this party started! This balloon sure is beautiful. I have an idea! Need a little extra sparkle? Done! Now set it with hairspray. It'll work like a charm. Pretty, right? Anyway. Is that Mickey? Talk about a major glow-up! Huh? Now that's an outfit! I gotta know where that's from! What about my sparkles? Thank goodness class is over. I'm starving. What? I thought I packed a sandwich. What's he whining about? Bet he's never seen one of these. Here you go, Kevin. Thanks. Oh! Ouch! Thanks, but no. Weird. Wait, I know. Hey, you still hungry? What's special about that apple?
I'm bored. I don't want to play with this anymore. I've got a great idea about an adventure we should do. How about take some money instead? I don't want the dumb money. It's not fun. I'll go find excitement on my own. I'm outside. Time to find a different life. So long, Rich Mickey. I don't need you where I'm going. This is nice. This is a little less nice. Gosh, I hate sweeping. I wish I was rich. Being rich would be so much more fun. And easier, too. You know what? That's it. I'm gonna search for a richer life. Ooh, it's so nice outside. I'm enjoying my walk. Wait a second. Did that poor girl look just like me? I must have been imagining things. Whoa! This place is like a giant, huge mansion! Hey, what's that? Looks like someone gave up their ID. Mickey, huh? I think I could pretend to be Mickey. In I go! Wow, this place is even bigger on the inside. My gosh, Mickey. What are you wearing? Oh, yes, I'm definitely Mickey. Here's my ID showing you who I am. What's up with you? Why are you wearing these garbage clothes? Whoa! You're just giving me all this money? Eee! I'm going shopping! Oh Oh my gosh, where could she have gone? There you are. I've been looking everywhere for you. I was worried sick. Wait, are you talking to me? Of course I am. Now come on, honey, let's get inside. Wow, I can't believe all these clothes. Oh, what's over here? A full-size mirror? Oh no, it's one of those built-in assistants that can help me with everything. Okay, let me try on this outfit. Oh my gosh, yes! It fits perfectly, too. Let me try something else. Ooh, wow! Another great outfit! This Mickey has great taste. Here I go again! Wow! I've never felt so rich and fancy in my entire life! And look at all these accessories and jewelry! Alright, this is definitely what I'm wearing today. Wow. Not a lot of clothes here. How do poor people live? Maybe there's something more in here that'll work. What's this? Ew! It's even worse in here. Why is everything so drab and boring? Does color cost money? Yeesh, this is not what I pictured at all. What's that? Oh, a newspaper. Let me check the ads. Hey, look at that! An ad for an amazing stylist. That's definitely what I need in this situation. Let me just give her a quick call. I'm sure she can squeeze me in. I hope it doesn't take her long to get here. Alright, I'm here. And you look a mess. Oh, I may have made a terrible mistake. Yeah, the mistake is what you're wearing. Alright, let me get to work. I can fix this. Definitely gonna have to change all of this. Too much of this color doesn't work with your skin. There. Another completed masterpiece by me. Listen up, everyone. We're gonna unveil some new stylish looks. Here she comes, so give her a big round of applause. That's right, I'm rocking this outfit. Oh, you want something different? Then what about this lime ensemble? Complete with flouncy skirts. Too much flounce? Then check out this understated, oversized sweater. Complete with a bunny-style shower cap hat. Yeah, I want a taco. Huh? What was that? Something woke me up. Wait a second. There's someone in my room. A burglar! What do I do? Should I hide? That would probably keep me safe. Wait, though. I'm not gonna let them just take that stuff. Time to put my brawling skills to the test. I'll just get a little closer. Ah! Huh? Oh, no! Ha! I got you, you dirty thief! Trying to burgle me. Can't steal anything with your hands all tied up. I'm amazing. I saved the day. Wait a second. A duster? Oh no. I think I've made a terrible mistake. That's not a burglar at all. It's just a housekeeper. Let me get you back on your feet. So sorry about this. Here, I'll pull that tape off your mouth. I guess you'll be wanting this back. Too many squirrels. Oh, they stole my nuts. Huh? What was that noise? I know I heard something in here. I guess I better go check it out, just in case. Just gonna sneak my way quietly into the living room. What? Oh my gosh! I can't believe there's a burglar in the house! This is so ridiculous!
Oh no! I've been caught! Please don't shoot! I'll go quietly, I promise. I don't want to hurt anyone.
Oh my gosh. Can you imagine a thief trying to steal anything from here? That's the funniest thing I've heard in a long time. Go on, keep looking. I'm actually interested to see if you find anything.
Whatever. There has to be something good around here. You've gotta be kidding me. Might as well check this little watering can. Nothing. Came all the way over here and for what? You were right. There's absolutely nothing worth stealing.
Yeah, I told you there was nothing. Sorry, not sorry.
Well, geez, now I feel a little bad. You must be really poor. I think you might be even worse off than me. Here, it's my candy bar. You can have it.
Ooh, my favorite too. Thanks, burglar.
One time I actually had to fight off this huge guy. He was like 7 feet tall. So hypnotic. Next up, it's a Pokeball.
Ah, so refreshing. That feels good. Who needs a fancy salon?
Pay attention to me.
You're still here?
What?
Catch!
Are you seeing this? It's mine! Too slow. You can have this. Gee, thanks. There's some soda left. I wonder what's inside. I wish I hadn't asked. But it's giving me an idea. I better get started. I'm going to draw my favorite character. I'll start with the ears. The tips need to be colored black. That's looking good. Next, I'll draw the face. These will be the rosy cheeks. Now, 2 big eyes. It's going well. I'll color the eyes black. I just need to stay in the lines. I'll do the same with the other one. The nose is just a triangle. I need a nice, happy smile. Aw, look at that. But there's still work to be done. I'll quickly draw the body. The tail is like a lightning bolt. Last but not least, I will draw 2 arms. Sometimes I amaze myself. Time to color it. This red is ideal for the cheeks. They'll really stand out. Next, I'll fill in the mouth. And then I'll need my yellow pen. I'll start with the tail. I'll take my time. I don't want to ruin it now. Finally, a little pink for the tongue. That should do it. It's Pikachu! Take a look! It's amazing! What am I gonna do? Wait a second. I can use this cup. I'll start by cutting a hole in either side. Now I need a bunch of yellow straws. I'll cut and glue them together. I need to put them into the cup, like this. Then I can stick Pikachu's head to the top. I'll add these love hearts to the arms. It makes me so happy. And another heart right in the middle. Now for the fun part. Pikachu is dancing. Hey, Kevin! You need to see this. Pretty sweet moves, huh? I could watch this all day. It's judging time.
The village doll wins this round. Sorry.
Yippee! I'm the greatest! Whoop whoop! It's not fair! I should have won! You like my hair? I just got it done yesterday.
I like those red lips too.
He's going in for the kiss? I've gotta reapply. See you tomorrow then. Whoa!
Hey, you're really pretty.
Hi.
Can I walk you to lunch?
But I thought you were about to. Just 1 more hour and then I'm done. Man, this playlist is fire! Oh yeah, I'm mopping, baby. Thank you! Very nice. Who's up next? Hi there! Nice dress, huh? But can she sing? Not impressed. Whoa. What's with all the raining cash? So tacky. How long is this song, anyway? Wake me up when it's over. Hey, who's that behind her? Whoa! It's the after-school janitor! Is that her actual voice? It's got a real funk to it! She's great! I'm gonna go… Don't move! What? Am I in the running? Me? Prom queen? Competition's over! This crown is made for you. Congrats! It's about time we heard real talent. Ignore the gloves. Who does this girl think she is? That crown should be on my head! Gotta get that glow.
Hey, Betty. Let's catch a movie.
Can we take your new car?
Hi, Mickey. I love your jean jacket.
Thank you.
Gotta get to chemistry.
What am I, chopped liver? My paint. A blank canvas. This is gonna be good. Let's see if Thomas likes her jacket after this. Gotta be quick. Nobody likes stained clothes. Looks like she slipped in mustard. Yes? You have something on your jacket. Oh no! But I'm always so careful! Don't worry. Nobody will notice. Bummer. But I can fix it. Have a stain on your clothes. Let it inspire you to create something one of a kind. Paint your hand in a glove. Then press it against the fabric. Look at all those fun colors. Some splatter gives it a fun effect. All done! Yeah, I just made the best of a bad situation.
Wow, I gotta post this. Your design's gonna go viral.
What's going on over here? Why is your jacket so cute?
Yes, we're set to go.
Wow, it's really her! Excuse me!
You're not going anywhere, miss. Perhaps a little green will change your mind. It'll be our little secret. Go on in, miss. What's up, girl? I got you the new phone. I already have that one. Oh. I should have known. That was a bust? Hi there. Can I? But I made this myself. Not interested. Oh! Hey! Let her through! This is incredible! What? How did Mickey get up there? That's so unfair. I can't paint. Alright, class. Who can solve this equation? Anyone? Not me. Betty? Get your fancy pants up here. Ugh. Fine. Hop to it! Come on! I don't know how to do this. What? Sit down! Jeez. She doesn't have to yell at me.